I'm out fishing again. I'm using my light action rod, but this is the day the Lord has made. I'm going to rejoice and be glad in it. I just come out to a new spot, see what I can do. First cast. Might have to get my, oh, hope you don't break my rod. What happens when you use light action for big fish? Well, he ain't giant, but he's good. Get out of there. Might help if I give me a little slack, huh? Wow. You are hooked. There we go. First one this evening. Well, the Lord gave me a good rainy day to come fish, so I'm gonna fish in it. I've been out looking for about a half hour, I guess. Finally found some. I'm using a gold Castmaster. I don't know, about an inch. I was trying to stay out of the rain, but I don't care now. Let's keep this up. Might go to my popping cork. I seen him hitting top water. Oh, missed one. Right there's the boat. Oh, missed another one. Got that one. Oh, dang. That's three I missed. Might not have enough action in this rod. Might have to change. Ooh. Whoa, there's one. Man. Probably have to get my net for this one. Hope he don't spool me. Ah, he ain't that big. I better get my net up here, or I'm gonna break my rod. Be still. This one ain't bad. Think I'm gonna change rods though. I like catching fish on light action, but I don't want to lose a giant. That was not bad at all. Here's what I'm using, that Castmaster Gold with a tiny bit of yellow on it. Go to something a little heavier. This one ain't real heavy, but it's a bit heavier. Let's try this one. At least I can hook them better. I have to go find them again. They sure took off. They'll be around here somewhere. Guess so. Oh, right there. First one. Oh, I lose him. Dang it. Might go to my popper. this. Oh, he's pulling some drag. Oh, man. I'll fix change to something. Why don't I keep losing them? A heavier rod. Maybe I can't set the hook good enough. Man, how'd I miss two? That's a nice one. If I lose this one, I'm just mad. Knock my drag down a little bit might help. So high. Well, he's not a bad one. I sure don't want that hook in my hand. Boy, he's not a bad one at all. There he goes. Try that again. Oh, yes. I'm gonna have to get my net, man. Hope I don't lose him trying to get it. Oh, what a day. Thank you, Lord. I ain't big enough for the net. Almost so. Oh, yeah. Well, what a day. Catch a few more of these and it'd be my day for sure. All right, let's let him go. Oh, boy, you got me. Well, I had to drive around a minute ago, but I just kept looking. Wind's blowing out of the northeast. I kept running these banks it's blowing into. I'm gonna throw my popper. See if I can get him to come up. While they're still here. Just for a minute. I hope I don't catch three of them. The lob come up and hit my popper. There they are right there. They're not hitting this though. They should. Might be it's too rough. Well, time for something else. Well, they're down there about 12 feet. Right here. Gotta come back up. here though. 15 foot, yeah I do. Just sit here and wait for them. There's a bunch of shad, so they ought to be here. Y'all see them, let me know. In case I miss them. See if they're still here. Yeah, they're still here. There's lots of them here. Terrible when you get so used to this. You don't catch one cast, one or two casts, you think, man, what's wrong? I'm gonna throw my popper. See if I can get him to come up. Gotta come back up. I don't see him up here though. 15 foot, yeah I do. Just sit here and wait for him. There's a bunch of shad, so they ought to be here. Y'all see them, let me know. In case I miss them. Well, I'm gonna look around and see if I can find more of them. Bigger school of them anyway. Hang on. I just moved out to a little bit deeper water. Spot lock come off a while ago, took me back. Come on, we need one more before it gets dark. I think I messed up part of the video a while ago. I'll have to wait and see. Trying to protect it from the rain and caught a few fish, and I think I didn't get it back on. But I got some on there, I know. Well, I've been waiting on the rain for these big ones to come back up. I'd rather catch them like this than any other way, I'll tell you. Since it's getting dark, I'm gonna try a black and silver fluke with a paddle tail. Well, I'm gonna get home. I just want to thank y'all for watching, liking, and subscribing. Man, I'm gonna fish for a minute longer, but it's getting dark, so if I catch one, maybe there'll be a bonus fish. And I'll see you in the next one.